Ciao, it's Cooking with Chef Anthony Russo. Today I'm making this new pizza. It's a fall special pizza. It's called Harvest Pizza. Why it's called Harvest Pizza? Because I'm using fall ingredients like fresh eggplant. I grilled this eggplant just like we do in Italy back home. My mom used to make grilled eggplant. Real simple, a little bit of olive oil, salt and pepper on the grill, full of flavor. And I'm using portobello mushrooms, fresh portobellos. Look how big these mushrooms are. I don't know if you ever had portobello mushroom on a pizza, but it's fantastic. It's full of flavor. It's really delicious. And I'm using zucchini, squash, and I got some great fresh arugula. This is wild arugula. This is gonna go on a pizza. And I'm gonna use Sicilian extra virgin olive oil on the pizza. And I also wanna use artichoke hearts, red onions, black olives, really nice fresh garden of fall vegetables. This pizza is fantastic. So order today. If you haven't tried it, come see Russo's, a New York pizzeria. And today I'm gonna show you how to make this pizza. We're gonna start with fresh homemade dough. Here we go. Hand tossed. Here we go. Right, mangiamo. See, that's a pizza. Hand tossed, New York style. Look at that. Hey, bravo. Beautiful. All right, we'll use fresh homemade pizza sauce. There we go. Very nice. I'll use shredded mozzarella. There we go. Grilled eggplant. Portobello mushroom. Very nice. Then we'll use some yellow squash. Full of color. Look at the beautiful color on the pizza. Then we'll use artichoke hearts right here. And then I'm going to use fresh basil. See? Homegrown basil. Can't go wrong with homegrown basil. There we go, on the pizza. And then I'm going to use a little bit of red onions. And then black olives. A touch of roasted peppers. Now this is a good looking pie. This is really nice. So if you're vegetarian, this is your dream right here. Look at that pizza. It's amazing. Wait till you taste it when it comes out of the oven. It's fantastic. It's called a Harvest Pizza. It's a fall pizza special. You can order online today. It's www.nypizzeria.com. Make sure you order your pizza this week because it's amazing. It's for limited time only. It's one of my best pizzas. Hope you enjoy Cooking with Anthony Russo. Don't forget to like our page or visit our website at www.nypizzeria.com. Ciao.